Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to the truth about Amazon search query performance. Let's get into it. The Search Query Performance (SQP) report is a valuable resource for understanding customer behavior on Amazon, but it requires careful interpretation due to its limitations and scope. Only sponsored product ads are included in the SQP data, and even then, only when the ads appear on search result pages. Ads displayed elsewhere, such as product detail pages, are not counted. Additionally, sponsored brand and sponsored display campaigns are excluded entirely from this report. This has important implications when comparing SQP data with campaign performance reports. For example, if a campaign shows 1,000 clicks for a specific keyword and SQP shows 3,000, it is incorrect to assume that 2,000 were organic clicks. The SQP data is filtered by ad type and placement, so there is no direct correlation between total clicks in each report. Another critical factor is attribution. SQP uses a 24-hour attribution window, meaning it only captures actions, such as purchases or add-to-cart events, that occur within 24 hours of a customer's initial interaction. In contrast, most advertising reports default to a 7-day window. As a result, many delayed conversions are not reflected in the SQP report, limiting the full picture of keyword performance. Despite these limitations, SQP remains highly useful. It reveals the keywords Amazon deems relevant to specific ASINs. Focusing on these keywords can improve product relevance, organic ranking, and advertising efficiency. Using SQP as a guide helps align optimization efforts with Amazon's algorithmic interpretation of product fit. Within the comprehensive download, an important column to analyze is the median price. This metric reflects the typical price point of products purchased under a specific keyword. For instance, if a keyword's median price is $35 and a seller's product is priced at $90, targeting that keyword may lead to poor conversions and inefficient ad spend. Aligning keyword selection with appropriate price ranges ensures better audience product fit. A more advanced method of leveraging SQP data involves monitoring keyword consistency over time. By downloading weekly or monthly SQP reports and tracking the recurrence of top keywords, sellers can identify consistently high-performing or high-relevant search terms. Keywords that appear across all reporting periods indicate strong relevance and can be prioritized in targeting strategies. This time series analysis helps distinguish between temporary spikes and sustainable search term relevance, providing a more reliable basis for campaign and listing optimization. It allows sellers to focus on high-impact keywords that remain relevant over the long term rather than chasing volatile trends. Although SQP has a narrow attribution window and partial ad coverage, its insights are still critical when integrated with other data sources. By combining this report with campaign performance metrics, pricing analysis, and business reports, sellers can form a comprehensive understanding of product market fit and keyword potential. Ultimately, the Search Query Performance Report is not a complete picture, but it is a valuable lens into how Amazon views your product in relation to customer search behavior. Used thoughtfully, it becomes a foundational component of a well-rounded optimization strategy. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.